How to delete contact on Zangi. Do you guys want to delete your contact in Zangi application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Zangi app on your mobile device, then make sure to check out a guide on how to do it. After you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered number and password. After you get logged in, now tap on the contact that you want to delete it. After you click on the contact, you'll be provided with multiple options over here. Select the last option, delete contact. You are looking to delete it, right? Now tap on delete. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna delete contact on Zangi application. It's quite easy, right? If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Zangi application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.